Hi there. So we have completed the parts for the cancellation process, amendment process, confirmation needed from the customer process, as well as reschedule process. So currently I have added those under the international domestic activity and that too under the sandbox. Okay. So I'll just quickly create the test deal. Okay. And I will try to run the case 1 this time further while keeping this 2 as null. So once I save this, then you can see I have these 4 common transitions. Now I can directly send introduction email or something like that, right? Let's say first of all we go for the cancellation. No, let's say we go for the client permission. So here I just need to specify the subject and everything, and like subject and the body. I will adjust this subject at the up and then body. Okay. Once I save this, it's a self loop I have applied. So again this will come to the same position where it started from. Okay, by just sending that particular mail to the client. With the, as we discussed, that there will be a template behind this which works on that. And what I will do is, once it is sent, then I will erase this as it is sandbox, so it doesn't send any email from sandbox, so it will erase automatically this part as well. Now again, if I want to reschedule, so I'll just click on the request reschedule. As you can see, I can only see the reschedule case 2 here. Okay, which will end up in, you you guys did right, as a cancel stage. Okay. Now if I'll just reproduce another deal for going to reschedule case 1. Okay, let's say, okay, so reschedule requested. Now you can see I have rescheduled case 1, which will land me into the amendment requested status, right? Now once I mark this amendment rejected, it will go back to the code accepted state, sorry, the cancellation one, right? And when I click on the, so you can see that here I will make that correction, um, it will go to the cancellation stage. Okay, and amendment in progress. Okay, so once I click on this, so there are some checklists that we will be doing, and we will be adding the notes what changes were done on the code, and we click on save. Okay, and now you can see at this particular login I am not able to see or proceed further, right? Because the amendment has been completed from my end, and now it must be gone to the higher authority, that is CEO or the business head. So this is the CEO's account. Why it got lagged? Okay, so I'll just go here, and the name of, I'll just copy that link itself. Okay, so you can see in here I have additional transition which can only be covered by the CEO profile or the business head profile. So once I click on amendment completed, then it goes to the sent introduction email. Right now again I have this many common transitions. Okay, let's say we are in the cancellation process. So as I requested you guys to, you know, to give me the to-do list for cancellation. Once I click on save, then so this particular transition is only visible to CEO. Again, I'll just refresh this at normal user level. So you can see this record is awaiting a transition from another user. Please contact your server admin account. Okay, so only CEO has access to make this as cancelled, and the I guess the business head I have kept it. Okay, so once the business head or the CEO sends it, it got cancelled. Okay, so that is all regarding the rescheduling, regarding the uh, cancellation, regarding the amendment, as well as sending the confirm like sending the, getting the confirmations on the client, and sending the email based on the subject, dynamic subject, or the dynamic body that we are providing. That's all. Thank you guys. And yeah, there are, before I go off, there are n number of mails that we have added at the different transition level, so we can enlist that also to you guys. Okay, like in most of the cases we have added like send acknowledgement to the customer. Okay, and let's say someone has requested for cancellation and the cancellation has been processed by a person, then we will be notifying our CEO and business head that this particular needs an approval to complete the cancel the complete booking itself. Okay, that is how. So he will just cross verify among the records, and that's all. Thank you.